Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English podcast, where we help you speak English naturally and confidently.
I'm Mark.
And I'm Lily.
Have you ever forgotten simple English words because you were nervous?
Or maybe your heart started beating fast just before speaking English?
If that sounds familiar, don't worry. You're definitely not alone.
Today, we're talking about something every English learner experiences: how to stay calm while speaking English.
We'll share simple tips, real-life conversations, and easy expressions you can use immediately.
So relax, take a deep breath, and let's improve your English together.
Part 1. Why do we feel nervous? Lily, why do so many English learners become nervous?
Because many people think they must speak perfectly.
Exactly. They worry about making mistakes.
But mistakes are a normal part of learning.
Even native speakers make mistakes.
The goal isn't perfect English.
The goal is communication.
If people understand you, you're already successful. Part 2. The power of taking a breath.
Here's my first tip.
What's that?
Before speaking, take one slow breath.
That's so simple.
It helps your brain relax.
Instead of rushing, pause for 1 second.
Nobody will think it's strange.
Actually, confident speakers often pause before answering. Part 3. A coffee shop conversation. Hello, what would you like today? Anna feels nervous. She forgets her English.
Sorry.
Take your time.
I'd like a small iced coffee, please.
Sure. Anything else?
No, thank you. See?
She spoke slowly,
No perfect grammar.
but she communicated successfully.
Part 4. Speak slowly. Many learners think speaking fast sounds fluent.
Actually, speaking clearly is much better.
Slow English is easier to understand.
And it gives your brain more time.
Don't race.
Enjoy the conversation.
Part 5. Replace fear with curiosity. Instead of asking yourself, what if I make a mistake? Ask, what can I learn today?
That's a powerful mindset. Every conversation teaches you something new. Part 6. Practice useful phrases. Let's practice some calming phrases. I need a second. Let me think. Could you repeat that? I'm still learning English. Can you speak more slowly?
Native speakers hear these expressions every day.
Using them shows confidence, not weakness.
Part 7. At work. Can you explain your idea?
Sure. Let me think for a second. I believe this plan can save time. We should start with a small project.
Good idea.
He paused.
He stayed calm. Part 8. Stop comparing yourself.
Many learners compare themselves with others.
That's not helpful.
Everyone learns at a different speed.
Compare yourself with yesterday's version of you.
Small improvements become big results.
Part 9. Build daily confidence.
Confidence doesn't appear overnight. It grows little by little.
Read aloud for 5 minutes.
Shadow native speakers.
Talk to yourself in English.
Describe your room.
Describe your breakfast.
The more you practice, the calmer you'll become. Part 10. Final conversation. Lily, what's your biggest advice? Don't wait until you're perfect. Speak today.
Mine is simple. Slow down. Smile. Keep talking.
English isn't a test. It's a bridge that connects people.
Every conversation makes you stronger.
Every mistake makes you wiser.
And every sentence builds confidence.
Thank you so much for listening today.
We hope this conversation helps you feel calmer and more confident every time you speak English.
Remember, fluency doesn't come from being perfect. It comes from practicing consistently.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends who are learning English.
Tell us in the comments, what makes you nervous when speaking English?
We'll see you in our next English conversation.
Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep speaking English every day. Goodbye.